Hey folks, Matt with Joe's GE here. Best wishes to you all during this trying time. I just wanted to offer a tip for sending your items in for repair if you're self-quarantining like the rest of us. You can actually request a pickup for your package from USPS by going to usps.com/pickup. Simply enter your address, phone number, and email address into the form and let them know if you have a dog or cat that the delivery person should look out for. We recommend leaving it in your mailbox, or if you're comfortable with it, they can knock on your door and you can hand them the package. We don't recommend leaving it on your front porch, as that can leave the package vulnerable to thieves. Select the free option to have the package picked up during mail delivery, then select the date that it should be picked up on. You will then be asked how many packages of a certain shipment type you will have for pickup. You can see which type of postage is on your package by looking at the top left corner of the shipping label that we provided you with. If you have a first class package, you can enter the estimated weight as 1 pound because the weight of first class does not cover packages heavier than 1 pound. If you have a priority mail flat rate padded envelope shipping label, you will need to go into the post office anyways to pick up the padded shipping envelope. Agree to the terms and conditions and then schedule the pickup, and just like that, you have a scheduled pickup for your package. If you have any questions about sending your items in for repair, feel free to reach out to us at support@joesge.com or give us a quick phone call or shoot us a text at 360-362-1722.